Welcome to today's video. Today I will be testing PINKIE teen pads. We know that it comes in this beautiful little baggie to dispose it after it has been used. Okay, let's see. Let's see how much liquid can these pads. Let's see how much liquid can these teen pads hold. We lose about 1 teaspoon of blood in each pad or tampon that you use, right? And sometimes the blood is not that thin. So this is about 1 teaspoon, right? I know the blood is not this thin like this, but let's say it's a little mix of like not that thin but not that thick either. Let's see. So like if you have a heavy period, I don't know if okay, I'm just trying to so this is how it will look. Sorry about that. Okay. The end result. Okay, this is how it will look. I think it needs to be a little bit longer. From my experience, like your 3rd or 4th day on your period. I think for the first 2 days, I think you will need a thicker pad and a longer pad. But it holds pretty well. This is how it looks. At the end, you just roll it up. Use your cute little baggie. Put it in. And tie it. And there you go. Throw it in the trash. Thank you for watching today's video. I hope this helps for those who wants to try the PINKIE teen pads. It's such a it's a good thing that we have. It's a good thing that I like this cute little baggie because it's teaching us how to be clean from the first time that you have your period. Thanks for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video.